Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
But then I'm having some issues in my lab.
Hmm.
Can
Yeah,
we
yeah,
issue that?
yeah.
Okay,
Just share the screen.
let me show my screen. This is my lab.
Mhm.
The problem is I'm not able to. I have been able to onboard this
Mhm.
edge into this vSmart, and I'm
Okay,
not able to onboard any of the other vEdge onto the vManage.
okay. Can you open any other edge which any of the edge which is not able to onboard it,
Okay, hold on.
and just show me that what configuration and means what process you have followed. Only just tell me what process you have followed to.
I have followed this process.
Mhm.
This document actually. This is what I have followed. So
Okay.
this I did later.
Uh-huh.
Just this I did later. Don't focus on it only.
Okay, okay. So
Okay.
you have first changed the chassis number and did some basic configuration, right?
Yes.
And
Did
then
some
you
basic
start.
configuration, make the chassis number and token updated, then nodal interface. Um,
Mhm.
when I'm requesting this, it is actually not taking this command. Yesterday it was taking this command. I mean, it is just not being able to contact the vBond. I have even tried to ping these devices and I'm able to ping it. But when I'm trying to onload
Okay,
the
okay.
root
Okay, you
certificate,
do one
it is
thing here,
not
just
installing.
change the IP address of vManage here and just make the tunnel interface down of vManage and then try. This is the issue I think only you're facing. You just change the vManage IP address here in place of vBond. Okay.
Let me see if I can
Yeah,
do it now.
yeah. And vManage, under the vManage, you just make the tunnel interface down for ETH1.
At the moment, it is on. So first, let me check the configuration of this device at the moment, what it is. Interface description. This is what I am.
Mhm.
Interface description.
Mhm.
So, yeah. So then again, this is my VPN configuration. I have the routes also.
Mhm.
Now, just to verify, I'm
Can
using this one. Okay,
okay.
copy.
So you
Paste.
can just run the show certificate serial on your edge if you already changed. So
Show certificate serial.
Yeah. Okay, 867391. This one you are using. And you can
Yes.
run show control local properties so that I will be able to see the token also. Show control local
Mm,
properties. Just
This
match the
is the chassis
yeah.
and this is the token 165.
Uh-huh.
So this is the token I'm using 165.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Mhm. Just show me this show running configuration.
So running configuration.
Okay, vBond system IP, site ID, organization name. Okay, fine. Yeah, yeah, great. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Just show me the IP address. What IP? Okay, 30. G00. There is no IP.
No, there's IP. It how can give me 1 second.
No problem.
GE00. This is the IP. And GE200. This is the IP. I think it has not taken any. Oh, no modification.
Can you run show interface description?
Yeah,
Tab.
did it in the beginning, right? This is what we have.
G001. Okay. Means you are not using G00, right?
I'm using G00, na? This is, yeah, I'm using G01 and G02, 1 and 2.
G0. Okay, just shut that the G00. By default, actually, this is configured, so maybe it is trying to hit to G00. Just shut
Yes.
down that interface.
00. Okay. On P, VPN 0, interface GE0 by 0. But I'm using VE0 by 0 for VPN 10. No
Not VPN
interface.
10. It is
Give me one
configured as
second.
a VPN 0.
No interface GE0 by 0.
Yeah. Now
Let
you can map with
uh,
VPN 10.
yeah, exit VPN 10 interface GE0 by 0. IP address 10.10.10.
One more thing I would like to share you that in every SD-WAN, even in Velo Cloud I am working nowadays, there is some recommendation from the vendor side that some port is configured. They work, but you may face the bugs. As I'm also facing some bug in Velo Cloud. I don't want to go in a deep. It's not a good that I will share the details for other vendor. But I have seen those bugs because their recommendation was use this port as a WAN and you use this port as a LAN. But what we did because of the initial design, we changed those one. And
Mm-hmm.
now there is a issue between that our MPLS does not come on 100 MB full duplex. It means is our MPLS is connected with those port and it is not on auto. Duplex setting is not auto. And if you are using 100 MB full duplex, then there is a problem. So sometimes the overlay does not come up. So that's what, no, it will not work, still not work, Jayant. Your
Mm-hmm.
tunnel interface is still up on both
Yes.
the interfaces. On G01, G02, make it down, tunnel interface. And same thing on vManage, then you try. No tunnel interface, commit. And same thing you need to do on the edge level.
This is why I did this. And
This,
this
yeah,
one.
yeah. Okay, but I think you already have tunnel interface on your.
I had done it before.
Okay,
Now let me
okay,
do
okay.
it this again. It was it goes
Mhm.
by this end, but it does not onboard the device.
Permission denied. So what password you are
No,
pushing?
no, no,
Okay,
no.
got it.
It has taken successfully installed. Right.
Okay.
Now I should go ahead and enable the interfaces, right?
Correct, correct.
With tunnel interface,
Right,
encapsulation,
right.
everything.
Correct,
Before
correct.
that, I should enable this one.
Yeah.
Tunnel
And can you show me the
interface.
version, which version you are using right now on DCVS2?
DCVS2 Pro version. So what's the 19.1?
Correct. Okay.
Okay,
So
now enabling those interfaces again.
mhm.
So now I should see them here, right?
Yesterday, was it your lab or Jayant lab?
No, I am Jayant only.
Yeah, I think maybe Kayur lab. That vBond got corrupted. They changed the. I think it was Kayur. Um,
Now
vBond.
it has taken,
Yeah,
I
that
mean,
was for
see,
me. Yeah,
Okay.
I rebuilt that
Okay.
vBond as well.
I think it's up
It got
now.
fixed. Yeah, it's fixed. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I have not done nothing. So maybe you are doing some there are steps. So that's why it's problem. So the condition is same. If you are picking any certificate from the controller, so the tunnel interface should be off. Otherwise, it will hit to the overlay. When
I
tunnel
have
interface
done
done.
every kind of mix and match
Yeah, I
since
agree, but
yesterday,
I have not
but
done
it has not
anything.
come.
I
Now
have
it
not
is
done
come.
anything.
I'm not
I'm
sure
just
what.
watching you. Yeah, I have not done anything. Sometimes it happens. Okay.
Ah, okay. Now,
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.